In this video, we will learn how to make a lot of money by creating a temporary email website. A temporary email website design will look exactly like this. You can earn money by adding advertisements for various companies on this website. Also, users of our website can create unlimited temporary emails and use these emails for their various purposes. And users can delete their emails if they wish. We are getting the most powerful admin panel to manage this website. We can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through this admin panel. I will definitely discuss step by step in this video how you can completely customize this admin panel. So now let's learn how to create such a professional temporary email website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create temporary email system website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using AI Prompt PT, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now, we are going to purchase domain hosting in order to publish our temporary email system website online. Choosing the right domain hosting provider is essential for website performance and reliability. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Namecheap at an affordable price. I will include a discount link for Namecheap in the video description, so be sure to check it out. If you buy domain hosting from Namecheap, you'll enjoy several benefits, including excellent customer support and reliable uptime. I have personally been using Namecheap for my own website for over 9 years, and I can confidently say their service is of outstanding quality. You can find all types of hosting servers on this Namecheap website. Now, we will learn how to purchase a shared web hosting server. You can select the hosting server location based on your specific needs, and you should definitely choose an annual plan for better value. Here, you can see 3 excellent hosting packages. You are free to choose any package that suits you. However, my personal recommendation is to go with the Stellar Business Package, the third option. This package includes automatic backups and cloud storage, features that are essential for every website. Additionally, it comes with a free domain. To purchase the third package, click on the Get Started button. You will now be able to choose a new domain name for free. Simply enter your preferred domain name in the provided field. As shown, you can choose from a variety of free domain options. After selecting your domain, we will connect it to our hosting plan. Next, click on the Add to Cart button and proceed to confirm your order. Now, we need to create an account on Namecheap. Enter your accurate account information. Click on the Create Account and Continue button. Then, you will be required to submit your address details step by step. Be sure to enter your correct address before continuing. Click on the Continue button once more. You'll then be prompted to select your payment method. Namecheap supports various international automatic payment options. You can pay via PayPal, international debit or credit cards, or even using cryptocurrencies. Now we will learn how to make payments via banking card. For this, you need to submit the correct card information here. Now we need to confirm the purchase by clicking here. Then we will confirm all our information by clicking here. Now we must click on the Continue button. Next, you need to accept Namecheap's terms and conditions. After that, click the Pay Now button to finalize your order. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased domain and hosting services from Namecheap. Now, let's access the main dashboard of your hosting panel. Go to the Hosting List section. From there, you can easily log into cPanel by clicking the This button. Now we need to change the PHP version. For this, we must follow the source code documentation. We must select PHP 8.2 version. For this, we will go to the PHP Tweaks section. Then we need to select PHP 8.2 version. Loading now, we have to wait a moment. We will now upload the source code. For this, we need to go to the File Manager section. Then we must go to the public HTML folder. Now we will go to our source code folder. Then we need to convert this folder to a zip file. Now we need to upload this folder to the public HTML folder in our cPanel. We have successfully uploaded the source code to our cPanel. Now we need to extract this zip file. Then we need to delete this zip file. Now we will submit all these files to the public HTML folder. Then we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain in the browser. Now we need to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create a database in cPanel. For this, we need to come to the database section. Then we will go to the database wizard section. Now we need to submit the database name. Then we will move on to the next section. Now we need to enter the database username. Then we need to generate a new password for the database. We will definitely copy this password and add it to our website. Now we will click on the Create User button. We will then submit this database information to our website. First, we need to submit the database username. Then we need to submit the database name. Now we need to grant permissions to all the privileges in the database. Then we will click on the Make Changes button. We have already successfully created the database. Now we need to click on the Save and Next button. Now we need to submit the website name here. Then we need to do purchase verification. For this we need to submit the purchase code here. Now we need to add the domain to our website here. Then we will select IMAP here. First we need to submit the host name of cPanel. For this you will copy this URL of your cPanel. Then we will select SSL as the encryption. Now we need to create a mail server. For this we first need to come to the email section. Then we will now go to the email accounts section. Now we need to create a new email. We will submit any username for our email. We will definitely generate a new password, then copy and add this password to our website. Now we need to click on the Create button. Then we will copy the username of our mail server and add it to the website. Then we will go back to the email section. Now we need to go to the default address. Then we will leave our email username as default. Now we need to click on the Save and Change button. Now we need to submit the admin login information. Then we need to click on the Save and Next button. We have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. So now let's log into the admin panel. We can easily change the design of our website homepage. For this we need to go to the theme section. We can see 3 homepage designs here. We can use any homepage design we like from here. Now we will learn how to customize the settings section of this website. We can easily change our website logo and favicon. We can also change the color of our website. You can change these functionalities according to your requirements. Then we need to click on the Save button. You can change these default email options according to your needs. Now we will learn how to add SMTP mail server to website. For this we need to go to the email section of cPanel. Then we will go to the email accounts section. Now we need to create a new email. Then we will generate a password and copy this password and attach it to the website. Now we will go to the Connect Devices section. Now we will connect this information to the website step by step. Now we will click on the Save button. Now you can earn a lot of money from this website by adding ads from different companies here. You can also customize these other functionalities according to your needs. And we can create multiple menus for our website and create multiple pages of any type. You can also update your website very easily. You will definitely get a notification here when the latest version update arrives. In this video, we learn step by step how to create a professional temporary email system website. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video completely. If you don't want to miss our next videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel.